Wow, that is a big bite. Jesus, that was half of it. You want to try some as well? Go on, I have none left.
How much money for it?
Shouldn't be far. £10, I think. Yeah. Right. We are back at the Nici Hotel. We actually came here last year and I've been dreaming about it ever since because it's just a really nice place to come for a staycation as a family because there's a beautiful pool that kids are allowed to play at. It's beautiful for adults and beautiful for children to stay at. And this year we've brought our dog along, so we're staying in the little annex building. Last time we stayed in the main hotel, but you're not allowed to stay in the main hotel with dogs unless you're at the poolside garden suites, I think, which they didn't have any left of because the weather's so nice. Everything's pretty much booked out. So we've just got in our room and I thought I'd give you a quick room tour before everything gets a little bit chaotic because my daughter's already in the crib jumping around as if it's a trampoline. So thought let's get a quick room tour in before everything gets trashed. So like I said, we're staying in the annex room, which is like these little rooms just off the car park. The car park's just there and that's the main hotel just up there. So we're staying in number 15, Palm Cottage. So very nice, big bed. It's a little bit of a tight space, but it's beautiful. They've given us a little cot, which she won't sleep in. You won't sleep in that, will you? Or you want to sleep in that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she said she does want to sleep in it, but I doubt you'll sleep in that. And then there's a beautiful bathroom, Rantana bin. And then I've heard of these products before. I'm not sure if I've used them before, but we'll give them a try. Nice big mirror, shower. I think it's definitely smaller than the main hotel. And then this is the dog bed, which is really sweet. Beautiful dog bed. Do you like it, Esco? You approve? Yeah, I think he approves. And then we've got welcome cocktails, they said. You get 2 shots each of, I can't remember what it said, I think she said it's rum. A little coffee machine, which is brilliant. And then I haven't looked in the wardrobe space just yet. Yeah, it's just coffee and tea. There's nothing else in there. Mini bar stuff. I moved Daddy's bags out of the way. Do you want Mummy to help?
I gotta hold that back.
Okay, do you want Mummy to help?
Yes, please.
Okay. Thank you very much, Bear. Shall we see what's in here?
Ah.
Oh, wow.
Ah.
It's a bit light, a bit bright. Oh! Definitely need the ironing board. That's good. I thought I was going to have to request an ironing board. Okay, so I actually ordered a couple of parcels because I desperately needed a swimsuit because we haven't been away for a while, and the last time that we went away I was pregnant. I didn't have anything to wear, so while my partner's having his massage, I'm just going to quickly go and collect everything I ordered, and I thought I'd do a little haul to show you guys everything I bought. Okay, so just picked my parcels up from the reception area, which is great. Okay, this is the one I'm most excited about because, like I said, I've literally got no swimwear to my name. So I got a Hansa G swimsuit because I just thought, Hansa G swimsuit is just timeless, isn't it? And I can use it for all the holidays I go on. Ooh, beautiful. And it fits all sizes. So if I'm ever pregnant again, I can use it as well. So I just got the classic square neck one with the low back and the high legs because I feel like it looks quite sexy but also chic and covered up. So I got this little swim hat for Capri. Do you want to come try it on?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness! That's gorgeous! Let me see. It's so pretty. It's made out of swim fabric, so she can go in the pool with it. What we're gonna have to do with all this stuff is just tell Daddy that I had this swimsuit a long time ago. He's probably not gonna believe me, but I'll just say that because he'll probably lecture me on not needing to buy it, but of course we need to buy a new swimsuit for a new trip. But I did get one more thing. Okay. Oh wow, it's beautiful.
What was that?
It's a new bag for the pool. Fit all my stuff in it. This is a swimsuit, so I'm thinking swimsuit with the bag. Do you like it?
My next one.
Thank you, baby. So I'm gonna have to discard of all the rubbish now, take the tags off, and then pretend like I've had all this stuff for a long time. I've not done any shopping that I've sent directly to the hotel. Okay, I just thought I'd quickly try the swimsuit on because I think we might go to the pool anyway, and I just wanted to try it on and make sure it actually fits. It is so nice. I feel like it just fits beautifully. I love how it comes up really high and then also pulls you in a little bit at the stomach, and it's so stretchy. It actually makes me look half skinny because since having my daughter, I had a C-section, and although I do exercise quite a bit, or as much as I can, not as much as I did before I had her, but I still feel like my stomach area always looks quite bloated. But yeah, and then this is the little bag that I got. I got this from John Lewis. It's a brand called Hush. It's just really big, lots of space for all my stuff and all CAPRI'S stuff. And it looks very chic. And then before I left, I did also get these new Birkenstocks, which I think look really chic and really nice and go with just everything. I'll definitely get the wear out of those. I think we're just gonna, it's actually 6 o'clock, but this girl's been talking about the pool all day, so I think let's just try and go down and see if she can get any time in there. Hopefully I won't have to go in. Wow, but just be careful near the pool, please.
What's that?
I think it's this one. There you go. I think it's this way. This way, quick, quick, quick. He's at the pool, yeah. He wants his shorts.
Drinking is normal. I don't want Monday, no, I want drinking.
You like the mac and cheese?
Careful with hot, dude.
Yes, baby.
Just check the video.
It's not the best tasting burger, is it? Yeah, the burger's not the best, is it? Not much flavour to it.
So you've got maybe on the north.
You want some burger?
I want bread.
You want the bread from the burger? Yeah. Do you want the meat? You want some meat? It's definitely messy, isn't it? Mmm. Is that for you? We just had a lovely breakfast and now we're just taking the... And chips? You had chips last night for dinner? Yeah, we did. We had dinner last night. I don't think I spoke to the vlog after dinner, but we didn't enjoy dinner too much. The burger was okay, but Capri got some mac and cheese, which she didn't really like too much. And then breakfast this morning was lovely. She had pancakes. But with the breakfast, last time we came, all the breakfast was included with the room, but this time they said it was just the continental breakfast which was included, which is basically just like picky bits like croissants and cheeses and cereals and stuff, so not the full English or the pancakes or the bagel. But we actually took a bit of a room downgrade, so my partner just spoke to them and said we took a room downgrade and we were told that breakfast was included, so I think they've let us have the breakfast. But it was just a bit disappointing that that wasn't included originally. But the room is bearable, but it's a lot smaller than the room we were in last time, and there's a lot of noise because it's right next to the road and the car park, and also there's people above you and the floorboards are really, it seems like the floorboards are really thin, so you can just hear everything, and it's a little bit small as well. But obviously with the dog you probably get the worst rooms, unless you pay quite a lot and have the poolside rooms, but I think there's not a lot of those to choose from as well because we couldn't get one of those. But yeah, we're just out on a nice walk along the beach now, which is really nice. The weather is nice, at least it's not raining. It did start raining yesterday when we got here, which is a bit disappointing. But it's quite cloudy, the sun's not out, but it's warm enough to go in the pool, so that's good. And I've got a massage at 12:15, which I am thoroughly looking forward to. And then we'll go paddling pool. I think you're gonna go to the pool with Daddy.
I will go pool.
Of course you do. It's a lot of steps though, isn't it? Be very careful on there. I'm just off for my massage now while my partner and Capri go to the pool, and I'm so excited. I very, very rarely get some time for myself, so it'll be so nice. Show me your masterpiece here, baby. What have you made?
Nice bridge. Goes under.
So you've got castle on the top. This one is done in after the day she's had. She's gonna have the best sleep ever, I think. Right here in the sun. Tonight we're leaving the hotel. We're going to a restaurant called Stein, which looks really nice actually. And it's actually really nice to get out of the hotel and see around Bournemouth a little bit, to be honest. So, quite excited. Managed to book an extra day for our stay because today is suddenly the nicest weather, and I think tomorrow's going to rain, so we just thought make the most of it and stay here today. And wow, it is a beautiful day today. The sun's out. I think it's going to reach 25 degrees, which is pretty good, and it feels absolutely boiling, to be honest, because yesterday's weather wasn't actually the best. And luckily we asked yesterday if there was a room available, and she said if there was any cancellations she'd let us know, and very kindly she rang us this morning at 8 o'clock and said someone's just cancelled a room, so if you want to stay another night you can book. So we did, and today at 1 o'clock I've got another massage booked, and I think CAPRI'S is probably going to be at the pool all day, but we're just out walking the dog at the minute. I've actually lost them. I'm just trying to find my partner and Capri because they walked off ahead because we kept forgetting stuff in the room and I had to keep going back to get it. So I said, you guys just go ahead and I'll catch you up. outfit because my partner's just walked in the door. So I'm wearing a dress from Realisation Park, and then I've got my little Chanel bag and my small Bottega heels, and we're going to the same restaurant as we went to last night. Stein is the name of the restaurant. It was so beautiful, so we have to go back again tonight. Dip your feet in. We're just taking one last quick walk along the beach. It's actually a really beautiful morning. I think today we're gonna skip the breakfast at the hotel and just go to Gale's, because we've seen quite a few people with Gale's bags here. So we thought we'd just get some croissants and eat them in the car on the way home. CAPRI'S found some shells, haven't you? She's gonna give to her daddy. We're just taking a little stroll along the beach. And then I think it'll be time to go home. I'm so sad. I'm really glad that we extended our trip, because yesterday the weather was absolutely stunning. I just thought I'd give a quick rundown on the trip, how I felt about everything. So first, the room, quite small, and the annex bit isn't really the best because you're on the road and the car park's right there. But it's nice and clean and modern, which is nice, but definitely the room we stayed in last time was much nicer. Food in the restaurant, not great, in the main restaurant if I'm honest. The food was not really very good. Oh, she wants me to carry her now, so I will finish my rundown of the trip later. I've got some time. Okay, I'll just finish now while I'm carrying her. The pool is definitely the main attraction. It's absolutely stunning when the weather's nice. And I love how mixed it is. It doesn't feel like a child's only pool, and it doesn't feel like an adult's only pool either. There's lots of children. Sorry, very hard to vlog when you have a 2-year-old. So yeah, food's not great, but the restaurant Stein that we went to 2 nights in a row, wow, incredible. You definitely have to go and eat there. Oh, your hair's blown everywhere. 1 second, you will tie up. Oh, I left the bobble at the hotel though. I'll have to go and grab it.